Well, here I am at the 1792, and this bourbon was just made, and I got my buddy, shit, I forgot my buddy's name. Well, here I am in AutoZone. This guy couldn't get a motorcycle license because his grades weren't up. Say hello to my friends in Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, hi.
Well, anyways, my helmet fogged up. Had to get some terry cloth towels, wipe everything down clean, put it back, and get back on the road. So here I am. What town in Kentucky is this?
Falmouth.
Falmouth. I didn't hear nobody say no fucking words yet. Up. And I got my buddy, shit, I forgot my buddy's name. Eric Fuskel and John Levins. I got him a bottle, but they don't know about it till I cross the finish line. So just to give you a thing, this is where they make it. These are just some folks that are gonna buy some liquor and get drunk, right?
Yep.
Hell yeah. So I don't know if why 1792. I don't know if that's the Black Lives Matter new education thing, or that's the year that the bottle was made, or what's going on. But I'm here in Kentucky on the Hoka Hey Motorcycle Challenge, and man, that thing looks like it's been dipped in bourbon, don't it? That building looks like it's been dipped in bourbon. They were offering me taste, but I quit drinking in December 25. So here I am back on the road. Everybody's probably looking at me on the map. Why is Gabe always stopping? Because I bought my buddy a bottle of bourbon. I ain't gonna tell you how much I paid, but it was mucho dinero. Hombre que toma mucho. Okay.
Congratulations, my brother.
Wait, I got something for you. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to Eric. Oh, you guys gotta share.
All right, let's see. Birthday gift from the road, man.
What birthday gift? It's just a friendship for shits and giggles type gift. Because you're my bro, man.
Yeah, man.
Straight from Kentucky, bro. They brewed that, like in the building next door.
No, not you. I'll pour y'all a shot. Thank you, Gabe.
Yeah, my brother.
Congratulations on the 2020 Hoka Hey.
Well, thank you.
Here's something to dip in it. What is it? It's a cigar, man.